The following message is transmitted at the request of the Central of Diseases Control. The Central of Diseases Control have discovered a new identified disease known as swine flu is breaking out in the city of San Antonio, Texas. The swine flu disease is a human respiratory infection caused by an influenza strain that started in pigs. Swine flu was first recognized in the 1919 pandemic and still circulates as a seasonal flu virus. Swine flu is caused by the H1N1 virus strain, which started in pigs. Symptoms include or are not limited to fever, dry coughs, muscle pain, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, headache, sore throat, shortness of breath, and fatigue. All residents of a 10-mile radius of San Antonio, Texas are advised to do the following instructions. Do not attempt to approach any kind of pigs. If you have the swine flu, go to the nearest hospital so a doctor can cure the swine flu. Stay tuned for local media outlets on this upcoming situation.
Die out too hard, that we were drowning in our